Hello and welcome to our new tutorial in PIPEFORCE, how to send templated emails. Templating means having a text with variables in it which will be placed when we send the email. I already logged in, and on the left hand side I will go to Workbench now in order to create a new pipeline. To save some time, I already created an app called New App. If you want to know how to do that, just check out our other tutorials in the info box. Here's the app, New App, and I will select this one now and add a new property so we get the new pipeline. And for that we enter the property key pipeline, and the name of this pipeline will be email in our example. Then I'm going to change the MIME type to an application/YAML type pipeline. And now on the right hand side, go to save in order to save this property. And since you want this to be an email sending pipeline, the code will be changed to a mail.send command. And then we're gonna enter all the credentials of our mails. So we need a recipient. In our case, just our test account for emails. Then a subject, for example, test email. And then we're going to enter a message. And in order to get line breaks, we need to enter a pipe sign, so the line breaks are preserved. That's the pipe sign. And now I can write the mail as I normally do. So I will go for hello. Today is, and now we're coming to the templating part, because we are gonna enter some pipeline expression language in order to replace a variable by a value. And in our example, we will replace this variable by today's date. That's where we're entering this expression now. Date.now, that's today's date. And then regards, Jonas. Now, as soon as I run this code, I expect this mail to be sent to tester@pipeforce.dev with this subject and this message with the line breaks in between because of the pipe sign, and the variable date will be entered automatically. If I save this property, I can reuse it anytime, and if I execute this and go to run, then the mail will be sent, and down here you can see that it was successfully sent. Now I'm changing to Gmail, and as we can see, we received the test mail with the lines that we wanted to have, and today's date entered as a variable. Going back to PIPEFORCE, and there was just one template. You can use, for example, FreeMaker templates or other templating languages, that's no problem. And also you can use templates inside the property store, not embedding those here. And if you want to trigger emails, in our example, we just sent the email manually, but of course it's possible to trigger mails by events, for example, or send them out regularly once a week, for example. And also the mail design right now just look pretty basic, but you can use templates here in order to make them look better. Thank you for your time, and see you next time. If you want to know more about PIPEFORCE tutorials, just check out the link in the info box.